Welcome to our channel. If you want to clear call history on WhatsApp to remove your calling records, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone and navigate to the Calls tab at the bottom of the screen. This will display your complete call history. Step 2. Review your call history, which shows all incoming, outgoing, and missed calls arranged chronologically with the most recent at the top. Step 3. To delete individual call records on iPhone, swipe left on the call entry you want to remove. On Android, long press the call entry to select it. Step 4. Tap the delete or trash icon that appears after swiping or selecting the call. Confirm the deletion when prompted to permanently remove that specific call from your history. Step 5. To clear multiple calls at once on Android, long press on the first call to enter selection mode, then tap on additional calls you want to delete. Step 6. Once you've selected all the calls you want to remove, tap the trash or delete icon at the top of the screen. Confirm the action to delete all selected call records. Step 7. On iPhone, you'll need to delete calls one at a time by swiping left on each entry, as there's no built-in option to select and delete multiple calls simultaneously. Step 8. Remember that clearing call history only removes the records from your device. WhatsApp may still maintain records on their servers for a limited time for technical purposes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.